Number 3. Pomegranate has impressive anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading drivers of many serious diseases. This includes heart disease, cancer, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, and even obesity. Pomegranates have potent anti-inflammatory properties, which are largely mediated by the antioxidant properties of the punicalagins. Test tube studies have shown that they can reduce inflammatory activity in the digestive tract, as well as in breast cancer and colon cancer cells. One 12-week study in people with diabetes found that 1.1 cups equal 250 milliliter of pomegranate juice per day lowered the inflammatory markers CRP and interleukin-6 by 32% and 30%, respectively. In short, the punicalagins in pomegranate juice have been shown to reduce inflammation, one of the leading drivers of many serious diseases, including cancer and diabetes.